fix Windows 11 laptop brightness not working. So if you want to fix your Windows 11 laptop brightness not working, then what you need to do is you just need simply check if you have any updates on your laptop. Once you've updated, then you need to check your graphic drivers. Those are updated also. Once everything is updated, what you can do is you just need simply use FN keys to adjust your brightness. If your FN keys doesn't work, then what you need to do is just simply press Windows plus A key together and your control center will pop out. Now you need to just adjust your brightness by using the slider which is right here. You can adjust it like this. After that, you can press Windows and I keys together, which will open up the settings. Now under your settings, you can go with system and then go with display. And under your display, you will have the brightness option. You can adjust your brightness from here. Or you can go with the drop down, which is right here. And under your drop down, make sure that you have not selected automatic brightness. Because if you've selected the automatic brightness, then it might interrupt with your control center. So you just need to simply turn off your automatic brightness. And the other thing you can do is right click on your Windows and go with device manager. On your device manager, you can go with display adapters. And here you can select your display adapter, right click on it, go with update driver, and you can select search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. You can choose any one of these and then you can update your drivers. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. And after that, the last thing you can do is just right click on your Windows, and here you can go with Windows admin PowerShell, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter a command, which is sfc space / scan now, and hit the enter, and it might take a few minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes, to complete the verification process. Once you've completed, you can restart your computer or your laptop and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.